Hello my dear student of class 9-10, how are you? I am MD Hanif, Senior Teacher English of Mother Tech Abdul Aziz School and College, Dhaka. I hope you all are well, but really we all feel bored due to COVID-19, staying at home for a long time. And your education is being hampered. For this why our education ministry has given emphasis on online education to make good your loss. So I am here to teach a new lesson. Our today's lesson is take question. At first, before doing this, we have to know what is take question. Take question are the small question that come at the end of the sentence of declarative, assertive and exclamatory. We use take question to make sure the statement either it is true or asks for agreement. To make sure the statement, for example, he is a student, it's a statement. We use take question to make sure the statement of the sentence. When the statement is positive, the take question will be negative. Here he is a student. Take question isn't he. Do sit down. Won't you? This is take question. Messi plays well, doesn't he? I know her, don't I? He was not there. When the statement or main clause is positive, take question or question tag will be negative. When the main clause or statement will negative, the take question will positive. He was not there, was he? I cannot do it. Can I? It's the example of take question. Now we know some basic rules of take question. Rule 1. When the main clause clauses have basic form of verb, that means B1 of verb. Generally we used don't as a question tag. Here I play football. It's a B1 form of verb, that means base form of verb. So take question don't I. When the main clause or statement bears or contain S or S form of verb, then question tag will doesn't generally. Doesn't he? When the main clause have past form of verb or B3 form of verb, B2 form of verb, B2 form of verb, then the take question will didn't they. Let's come to the second rules. When the main clause or statement have auxiliary verbs or modal verbs, we can use the same verb in the question tag. For example, he is a student. Here is isn't he. I was not there. It's a negative statement, so question positive. Was I? We should take care of the corona patient. It's a modal verb. So, shouldn't we? Shouldn't we? He will go there. Modal also. Won't he? It may rain. Meant it. There is one exception here. I'm a student here, not amn't I, here aren't I. It's an exception. We should bear in mind, my dear learners, I'm a student, the take question will be aren't I. Rule 3. Aris has a nice pen. You have a card. When the statement or main clause have non-auxiliary have or has or had, we can use them as in the take question, or you can use don't, didn't, doesn't. For example, Aris has a car. Hasn't he? We use here non-auxiliary has. Hasn't he? You have a car. Have a. Haven't you? Don't. We can use here don't you. Both are correct. This one is correct. This one also correct. Hello dear learners. Let's come to the rule 4, imperative sentence. We use affirmative won't is often used to offer someone to do something, and will, would, can, could, and could you is generally used to tell or ask people to do something. For example, do sit down. Won't you? Won't you? Open the door. Will you? Or you can use won't you also. Don't when the imperative contain negative sense or negative sentence, we use only will you. Don't go out, will you? Don't wait in the rain. It's negative sentence, negative imperative sentence. So will you? When the imperative sentence start with letters or letters, then we use shall we in the question tag. For example, let's go out for a walk. Shall we? Shall we? When the imperative sentence start with let, then we use will you only. Will you? Others, you can see others rule, theirs. When the sentence start with their, these are others. Others, you can see there's something, there is something wrong. Here isn't there. There is subject in the tag, isn't there, because it's a negative statement. It's a positive statement, isn't there. There is not any problem. It's a negative statement, so question tag is positive is there. Okay, my dear learner, come to the next role. Now my student, now you know about negative words. Never, rarely, seldom, scarcely, little, few, hardly, barely have a negative sense. We treat the statement with this word like a negative sentence. So take question is positive. For example, a barking dog seldom bites. Does it? There's little we can do. Is there? Question tag is positive. I barely know you. Know you. It's a negative word, so take question is positive. Do I? He hardly comes here. Does he? So my student or my learners, we have learned take question today. I think you have enough time to practice at home because you have to stay at home due to COVID-19. So if you practice more and more at home, it will be more easy to you. So your today's homework is, okay, your homework number A, I'd go there, open the door, the mother rose in hard, none can go there, barking dog seldom bite, how nice, Messi played well, I knew hard, he can do it, nobody phoned me. This is your homework, my dear learners. Okay, stay at home as COVID-19 is going on. My dear learners, today our class, our lesson is finished here. Okay, bye bye, see you.